Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is, where you at, we here. We might be a little late, but we here. We showed up. It's all that matters. As long as we're here. Let's see here. Coming up on the top of the hour here in about 7 minutes. Did just enter along. What up, Adam? From Morocco. Just entered along here. Looks like we want to push back up. Who knows? How'd silver do tonight? Any good? I don't know. What up, Lone Wolf? I don't know what silver did tonight. All right, let's see. We had some inside bars for sure. Let's see. First one failed. Second one worked. Did that work? Second one worked. First one actually paid $5.35. Third one failed. Fourth one $4.60 failed. Not too good tonight. Fifth one worked. Sixth one failed. You've had a bunch, but none of them really worked all that well. What up, Eric? You're on NQ? Yeah. Well, that's not the reaction we really wanted here. We'll see what we get here. See what the top of the hour brings us here. We'll see what we get. Let me make sure my copy trader's turned off. All right, it is. What up, Neo? She's a pushing down. I mean, we kind of broke structure to the upside there, although we did sweep this liquidity. I don't know. Had the top of the hour coming up. It kind of looks like we had a clean trend line here. Like it may want to run it. Now it's not looking that way really all that much, so we'll see. See if we can't work our way out. Really, ES is at a level where it just kind of has to hold. It's got to hold. Ba-boom, ba-boom. What's gold done tonight? Yeah, gold's looked okay. Bounced off that 5035 level. A lot of inside bars on gold too. Really kind of a choppy night, huh? About a 100-point range. We have an SMT. Could be. I didn't even look. I don't see it. Let me see. Yep. I do see that. ES ran that high. Nasdaq did not. Feels like this might be just a little trap. Might be a little trappity trap. Trap. Man, gold's bounced off that 5035 level a couple of times there. I don't know if I want to test that again. 5020 we could maybe take. Oh, SMT at the lows. Well, there actually is one up here as well. ES did not take. ES took this wick. Took this to the high. Took this high out, and Nasdaq did not. But if we can get this, we want to get this gap pushed through. That'll be a good sign here. Sweep of liquidity, delivery from a gap. Get a nice pushback through there. Coming into the top of the hour. That'd be ideal, but I don't know if we get it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. ES kind of at the 78 level there. VWAP 78. That kind of area holding up. Fitty. Yeah, maybe. We kind of got trend line liquidity here. It looks pretty clean. I think we run this wick up here at 373. It's kind of my thought process. I think we push up there and run that, but we'll see. Top of the hour coming up here in just a moment. We'll see kind of what that brings us. It'll give us the information we probably need. See if we get the push through here. Sherry, what up? All right, here's top of the hour. Let's see. We are late today, but better late than never. Was at the kids' baseball game. We lost tonight. Jackson played pretty well though. He went 1 for 2 with a single and 2 walks. So was on base 3 times. He scored twice. Not bad. Not a bad game, but we just couldn't put together any defense. Pitching really was suspect. Pitching was suspect. Not really getting a move here. I mean, it's just kind of hanging out 320s. Next level for an ad down there. Actually, wouldn't mind adding at 325 again. I know that's going to get me in a little too heavy, a little too fast. So I probably shouldn't. Just in case we do make a move lower, but in a 100-point range, 3 hours after the open here, probably pretty safe to say this is kind of where we'd stay. All right, let me go ahead and I gotta post this newsletter and stuff. I didn't do that yet, so we were. See if we get this thing to push. Yeah, it kind of looks like it wants to go, just not going yet. So when it does that, you just, I mean, it's not really much you can do. Everybody green tonight? Anybody red? What we got going on? There we go. Starting to get a little move up here. Just got to get through these EMAs, through the VWAP. We'll be fine. Let's get a little squeeze going. Just posting this in the Discord right quick. I may just have to take a few points here and just be done with it. Yeah, Adam, that's what I'm doing. Chart green on CL. Let's go. What up, Futures Trader? All right. I'm gonna add in at 925 or 325 there. All right, there we go. What up, Aggie? How's everything going? All right. Yeah, we're just waiting here, trying to get everything squared away to see what we got going on. What's the range here on the ES? I need to mark out the previous day close and stuff. I don't have that stuff marked out either. I'll go ahead and mark that out before I kind of forget. What we get the close is 361.50. Previous day close right there. And the open. 361 and a quarter. What up, Dave? Yeah, BK. I was at my kids' baseball game, so yeah, you know, is what it is. Look at that previous day close, guys. I talked about shorting this previous day close level on my funded TV today. What did it end up being there? The high of day. Look at that. Insanity. I'm telling you guys, a lot of times that's how these levels work. Now, did I hold this? Nope. I went break even on the funded accounts, and unfortunately, got stopped out. Is what it is. Went break even, got stopped out on that second push back up. Didn't trust it, and then it went. Then it went without me. Story of my life. What do you guys think about the new hat? The new hat came in the mail today. We put it on. We said, let's rock it. Let's rock the new hat. Matches pretty well with the, I don't even know, the sweater. Matches pretty well. Tim in the house. Guys, we'll do a giveaway tonight. It'll be for a 5K crypto account from Trader, what is it called? Trader's Launch. That's what we'll do. Unless I change my mind and do something else. You never know. You never know what I might do. All right, tagged into another ad there. Trying to work my way out of this trade. I'm really in more contracts than I really want to be in, but it's okay. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you guys want to enter that giveaway. What up, Bear Trader? Let me get some music going. What do I want to listen to? I want to listen to something a little different tonight. Huh. I don't know what I want to listen to. I'm scrolling through some music playlists, but I'm not sure which one I want to choose. Sure, let's just pick one. What up, P Long? Yvonne, what up? Kind of just chopping around here. I'm thinking that eventually it's going to pop, though. This is going to be the only trade I take on this account tonight. I really actually didn't mean to trade this account tonight. I meant to I meant to trade the other account, but that's all right. She was catching her face. Bad Bunny? Yeah, I don't know Bad Bunny. Yeah. I've not traded any inside bars tonight on silver because obviously I haven't been here. It looks like it would have been a losing night, but we might get one here, and it is after 9, so I might take it. Stricken by the weight of his head. No! Again, this is key level for ES here. It's going to kind of hold this level. Otherwise, we probably make new lows. I don't really want to dig myself too much of a hole on this account. Like I said, I really did not intend on trading it. We are really not moving here. Got an 11-point ATR on the 2-minute. As you guys come in, please hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You will be the man. Is it going to trap? A little trap here, maybe. Yeah, that's a long time, Adam. What up, M. Will? Again, if we get the inside buy over here on silver, I'm going to take it. All right. Going to be an inside bar here on silver. So I'm going to take it. It's the only one tonight that I'm going to take. And I'm going to trade it a little differently. I'm just going to go for 40 ticks. Actually, let's go... Yeah, let's go 40 ticks. Why does 40 ticks look so huge? All right. We're long. Boom. Before I could even get it pulled over to show you guys, it hit TP. So up $396 on that trade there. For sure chart. Definitely trappy looking. Inside bar there. I took it with 2 micros because the risk was only $200 or whatever. See if this thing can go. You was watching the charts and it seemed nothing was moving, so you just logged off. Yeah, you're not wrong, music. We're in like a 100-point range on NQ. Gold's not really moving very much. Silver barely moving as well. I kind of thought we were going to run this kind of trend line looking. I mean, it's not like a perfect one, but you got 1, 2, 3 touches. We kind of broke it, trapped below it, and so I thought we'd run back to this wick. And so, yeah, I bought, and it's just not doing it. Nice little quickie. That's right, little quickie. Don't you think? Man, I might have to do some sketchy stuff to get out of this trade. I'm about to do some sketchy shit. I hope I get away with it. Let's hope we don't have to do that. Give us 50 for the stream, Nasdaq. Yeah, needs to. Something. I mean, ES is still holding above that key level there, so I'm still pretty confident this thing's going to move up. Still pretty confident. Obviously, we got some stuff we got to get through. And just like that, the camera said, kapoosh. Appreciate the subscribe, whoever just hit the subscribe button. Nope. The camera just kabooshed, as Kate, whatever SK likes to say. Matty Matt, did you get your fix today or what? All right. Well, that's not working. There we go. We can do it that way, I guess. I don't like that. Yes, right back to the VWAP there at the 70 level. 78 level, I mean. Yeah, thank you, Onyx. If it was you, you'd a man. You're on the charts, you blew an account like an hour ago? That sucks. That sucks. Oh, you got one account left. Let's go. What up, Alexi? Long silver, are you going to average in at that bottom? No, Skull, I already took the long on silver. I'm out already. Are you talking about averaging in on Nasdaq? I'm averaging in down here. But I took a $400 win on silver just a moment ago, and it was just the way I like it. It was over before it started. So up $400 on that one. We're going to lock that one down for the night. I would take a gold trade if we got the opportunity. Just not getting any pullbacks on gold. That's what the wife says. That's right, Pegasus. Got to get through these EMAs here, and I can have a chance to get back above my entry. Gold will move so slow and choppy, then all of a sudden 2 to 5 minute dump. Yeah, for sure. What up, Jan? I really ought to just average into this. It's definitely a chop fest. I should average into it and get out. What are the times I start lives? Usually like 7. 6 to 7 in the evenings. But I also stream 9:15 a.m. in New York, and then I'm on with Bull Barbie on My Funded TV from 11:30 to 12:30 a.m. Eastern every day, 5 days a week. Yeah, grinding. I'm long right here on Nasdaq. If you look right here, you can see I've got this offset, so you can actually see that it's green, that I'm long, and I got it offset from these. That way, it's a little more obvious that I'm in the position. I'm thinking about just averaging in here, trying to get out, but I don't know. What did this? Gold just took off a little bit. Silver's trying to push its way up to the 84 as well. Nagaratse Cardenas, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Sorry if I butchered your name. Best I could do. Best I could do, man. I don't know what to tell you. Best we can do. Yeah, I'm not going to go too crazy on this tonight. I'll give this about $400, maybe $500 in room. That's about it. Not going to give it too much. So, yeah, I took the previous inside buy, Lone Wolf, on silver. I took it with 2 micros since the stop wasn't very big. So, I just took it for 40 ticks. Let's look at the hourly. I want to see what's going on here. So that low down there did tap into an hourly gap. Opening range did bang this morning on the short side, and then it banged on the long side as well. We'll see what happens. Again, I don't know. I really wasn't even planning on trading this account tonight, but I accidentally entered a trade on it, and so I'm just, I don't know, probably being a little more aggressive than I should be. Really kind of moving slow here. So no real reason to panic out. We are in a tight range after all. So probably going to bounce at some point here. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, exclamation MM in the chat. If you want to get in there. I'm not going to panic out of this trade because we are in a tight range. So I do think, you know, when you kind of get into a tight range like this, even though we are kind of grinding lower, I do think eventually it might kind of go back up. All right, let me see here. Paint 303. There we go. Finally starting to get a little movement. Should bounce from 310. All right, there we go. Finally getting some little movement. What up, Punisher? How you doing? I'm using EMAs 21.9. So the 9 is the blue, the 21 is the red, and the 50 is the white. Yellow line is the VWAP. I'm doing good, Punisher. Besides, I'm in this pretty crappy trade here. Other than that, we're in this crappy trade. Yeah, it's pretty dead. But what up, Tony? Hopefully it'll kind of, well, I mean, I think it should eventually push back up. We'll see. Kind of a slow market, so. Are you the only Chinese woman here? I don't know. Anybody else Chinese? This is kind of boring. I don't really know. There's not much to do, right? So, not much to do. Yeah, you're right, chart. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold it. Trade of eight's not working. That sucks. Oh, dang, Matty Matt. That sucks. Let's go, Tony. Awesome. I mean, I wouldn't mind. I don't know. I'm not gonna kind of spam ad until I really need to. Jazz, we're gonna do a 5K crypto account tonight. All right. Now it's pulling back. I might use that 275 level. We'll see. Let's. Any fast track accounts to give away? Yeah, I got a few. I got a few. I kind of want to add here maybe 5 more, but yeah, I will, Skull. Trying to decide if I want to use this spot for kind of a buy, a spam buy or not. Just to try to get out of the position. It could end up bad. I'm watching the ES here, waiting for the ES to kind of sweep that low as well. Alright guys, I'm just going to try to get out of this. If it doesn't hold the 90 here, then I'm going to just manually kill it. And we'll have some work to do tomorrow. We just need a little baby bounce here. Just a baby bounce, nothing crazy. I'm just trying to get out of this, guys. Alright. We lost some money there, but, you know, it's alright. Let's just get out of it. Now I'll just have to work out of that tomorrow. What up, Design? What up, Sean? Hey, I just do my DCAs. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, it looks like I would have probably gotten out break even, but it's okay. It's all right. It happens. How close was the stop? Pretty close. No, I didn't get liquidated, Skull. I closed the trade. Do they count that as one of your 6 payouts? No, it's 5 individual, SK. It's 5 individual. My sweet. Wish I can get an entry on gold potentially. Oh, I want to get off this account now. I didn't even want to trade this account. I was completely on the wrong account. This account is really strictly for New York. All right, much better. I have the full port silver minis. Nah, I could. Not gonna do it. I'm done with silver for tonight. I might take a trade on gold. I'm not sure. All right, I'm on the right accounts. Sorry about that trade, guys. That was just one of those ones where I don't know. I just didn't love it anymore. I just wanted to get out. So obviously, in hindsight, I could have just probably left my 308, 309 and been fine. We just wanted to get out. Got 18 minutes till the top of the hour here. That was the ex-wife trade. Didn't love it and wanted out. Yeah, I had no choice. I wouldn't mind a push back up into 313 and then kind of see what price gets up in that area. Yeah, I try not to get into trades like that. I knew immediately that I was oversized for that position. We just kind of made it worse by adding, but it's all right. Oh, crap. What the hell? What's going on? I don't know what's going on over there. Did I watch Kid Rock? No, I really didn't watch any. I mean, I watched some of the Super Bowl, but I didn't. Yeah. Glad we boycotted Bad Bunny. I don't know. Did they? I have no idea. Real DC. I wasn't. So I had the Super Bowl on, but I did not listen to the halftime show at all. Also didn't catch any of the commercials, unfortunately. ES pushing back up here, 69.76. Nice recovery there. Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know anything about it. Like I said, I do know it's mostly Spanish, but I haven't watched it either. Huh. That's weird. What do we got here, Matty Matt? Let me see. Yeah, that sucks, man. That's all right, though. It happens. It's fine. You're sitting in the corner with the fire around you, and then it's fine. So, yeah, I didn't mind it. Like I said, I didn't really pay attention to the halftime show because I was streaming, but I don't know. You know, some people it's like anything in life, right? Some people like some things, some people don't like the others. That's just kind of how it is. So, gold is kind of pulling back a little bit here. I'm going to stab long here on gold for a little few shekels. It actually didn't get in. All right, now I'm in. You're trading your Apex account on TradingView. Am I nuts? I don't know. Seems reasonable, I guess. Yeah, gold's definitely pulling back, but I'm looking for little bounces. Anybody else having problems with Trade of 8? These levels that I'm kind of buying here on gold are not that obvious, to be honest, but try them anyway. Usually I like to see like an obvious swing. It's not necessarily what we have here. Top of the hour here in 9 minutes. Oh, Trade of 8's working fine for Dave. Yeah, yeah. Nasdaq looking like it wants to push back up. I'm waiting to see kind of what happens at this 21 EMA and at the top of the hour. Da, 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 da. Yes, back above the VWAP here. If it kind of reclaims that 78 area there, could get squeezy. Like, this is not V-shaped at all, but this is a good candle. June was streaking at the Super Bowl. You're in an eval trade early at 8 p.m. I had to stay patient for your TP. Let's go. Yeah, I didn't stay patient enough earlier either. So, all right, we're going to try this here. Looks familiar, right? All right, gold's bouncing here. Might hit my first target. About to. Potentially hitting my first target. There we go. Yeah, totally didn't backfire. Yeah. Haven't seen Lucid's video on Discord on their announcement on the state of GC and SI contracts. I have not, Lone Wolf. 6 Billy thinks we have more room to the downside. June was streaking at the Super Bowl. What did he say on his back? No, I didn't watch it. What did they say? What up, T? Let me look. I don't even think I'm in Lucid's Discord. Pretty sure I'm not. Yeah, I'm not even in their Discord. Give me the quick, the cliff notes. Give me the cliff notes. I don't even have anything to drink over here with me. Oh, you took it the inside buy? Well, it's kind of trying to catch me in the same position, I guess. Difference is we're not going to add in like this. Oh, it isn't leaving. The show goes on. All right, let's go. That's good. It's always good. Yeah, the price action is not great, but also I'm not trading very well. They use the bad language. What they say? I'm not fucking leaving. They use the Wolf of Wall Street language. God dang it. If this triggers a short, I guess I'll take the short. 303 would be the short. I don't know. I don't know. I'm taking that off even though I hadn't stopped out yet. I don't even know what I lost on that. $38. 37. I'm about to scalp 5 points at a time, guys. What up, Conviction Trading? We're about to go into that 5-point scalp mode. We might go a little bigger size. Let's go a little bigger size. Look for some scalpies. Oh, actually, I didn't want to do 5 again. Would like to see if I can get a little runner going, though. Oh, god dang it. Yeah, got tagged in. There we go. All right. Top of the hour in 5, 4, 10, 9. All right, what up, Matt? We'll try to remember that. Did you guys see how I counted there? Did that make sense? That made sense. Maybe not. Lone Wolf posted it. Let me watch it. Traders with no payouts. uh, that's funny. That is funny. Another secret pick? Yeah, of course. I'm about to get tagged into my second gold long here. Let's see here. Let's see. Can we hit the target and try to get a little runner going? All right. Get a little runner going here. Let's move this down. Boom, 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 boom. What up, Mo? Yeah, I was on late. I got on late. I didn't get on until 9 o'clock. I did not get on until 9 o'clock. Got home late from the baseball game, so. Gold almost tagged us in there. It came back down to like, I don't know, within just a few ticks of our entry. What is the low there? 6553, and our entry's at 6543. Thank you, Into the Futures. I appreciate that. Let's see here. Still trading silver. Yeah, I took one trade on it earlier. I took a winner for 40 ticks. $40 ticks. That's what we got. Gold bounced literally 1 point away from my entry. Kind of rude. Yeah, I'm doing the inside buy. Doing the inside buy. That's what I used, but it was the one after 9 o'clock. It looks like the inside bar didn't work too well tonight. It was maybe like 50% or something, but I don't know whether it made money or not. If you took 40 ticks, it made money. I got tagged in on my gold long here. I'll just pull it over. Pull it over so you guys can see. You can see I just got my longs laid out here level to level. Wow. There we said. Uh-oh. What's gold doing here? Gold, you're just supposed to bounce. You're not supposed to mess around. What's the silver front month? SIL. Yeah, it just says front month. It's just SIL. I just heard something. What was that? Where's the gold at? Where's my gold chart? Where is gold? Am I overlooking it? Oh, there it is. Target hit. That was the noise I heard. Target hit on gold. Yeah, it should just be SIL and just choose the front month. So up $100 on the gold trade there. Finally flipped the short over here. I think that's probably the right thing to do. You got to pick the letter. I don't know what it is. SIL. Let me find it. Hold on, I'll find it. So I don't really know what it is. Hmm. SI, is it G6? No. SIH6 or SILH6, whatever. Yeah, H. Calculated risk. Then I'm going to move this down a little further, maybe. Well, that will be 25 points. ES is trying to break out a little bit. Scalping longs. Yeah, I was trying longs and they just weren't working, so flip to short. Green candles only. The last inside candle worked. Yeah, I wasn't even looking at it. Not the smartest of trading tonight, guys. A little bit of a stupid trading, but it's alright. Sometimes it works out that way. Lone Wolf's distracted tonight. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Hit the like button. Subscribe. I appreciate you. I may actually move this down a little more. Then I'm going to go 75. Think I'm going to go 75. Might get tagged in on my next level long down there on gold. 5047.4. I'll pull it over if I get tagged in. Show it to you guys. Silver pulling back. Oh, let me see. I mean, I wouldn't. Yeah, it's pulling back. Yeah, stoic. Very fast moves. NQ flying? I don't think so. No, no, no. What up, Zenith? Uh, but MXM is for enter and win. No way. Don't try to trick people. They'll believe you. They'll believe you. Yeah, Trev, I was thinking of adding back into like the 297, 298 level, maybe add back into it. In the morning it'll be 9:15, Chris. In the evening, sometime between 6 and 8. It just depends. Like tonight, didn't get here until 9. If the kids have some sort of sporting event or something like that, we got um, one doing track, one doing volleyball, one doing baseball. So if they have some sort of sporting event, then I'll be on a little later. Kids come first, that's how it works. Max said, "Oh yes, what about me? Don't I come first too?" I said, "Yes, Max, you come first too." Thought he might walk over here, but he said, "Nope, I'm going the other direction." We didn't make another low. Staying in the range. Yeah. This is very slow, guys. Very, very slow here tonight. I mean, it's making moves. It's just very grindy. Like, in just over 100-point range here. Like, what, 110, 115, whatever. All right, tagged in on my long over here on gold. Just buying the little bounces on gold if we can get them. Can we get the push on gold? Let's see. We got an ad down there at 40.5, obviously. Oh, your mom just told me something. Are you my dad, uncle, grandpa? Something like that, trade for keeps. Something like that. Just need that nice push on gold here. Nasdaq trying to make its way towards this target down here at 75. Hit the 80 already. What up, Yonex? No, just late hours, Jan. What up, Skeletor? Yeah, I trade after hours. Troy, you might still get it. Just got to be patient. All right, might get tagged in on this ad on gold. I prefer not to, but hey, what do I get? I don't get to choose. We don't get to choose. I mean, nothing's really moving very quick at all. Yeah, I don't know what to say, water fasting. I'm not using it right now, so I'm not quite sure. I don't know. Anybody else having problems with Tradevate? Seems like it's just a problem that's kind of isolated to what you got going on right now. All right, NQ's kind of bouncing here. 78.50. Working fine for Alexi. Running out of levels. Yeah, for sure. It's fine. I mean, if it loses, right? I'm not, you know, you just play it mechanically. If it wins, it wins. If it loses, it loses. It's okay. I think it's probably okay still. Maybe you're Johnny Walker and your dog. You can't figure it out. That could be. Gold's basically back to the entry. Just looking for a retest of the open of the previous candle up there. That's really it. Nothing crazy. What up, Chris? Nasdaq's getting a little movement back up. You got a dog from the shelter keeps trying to get you to go to bed. All right, there we go. Now gold's ripping. Come on, you can do it. All right, guys, we're about to do the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Let me see how many entries we got. 223 entries. That seems insane. All right. Should we shotgun it or what? I don't know. LFRM, exclamation point MM in the chat. All right, let's shotgun it. We're going to shotgun it, guys. Shotgun it, shotgun it, shotgun it. Let me get it set up for the shotgun here. 2 minutes. And on your marks, get set, go. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Re-enter if you already entered. Let's see here. Can gold hit the target here? I'm about to not be a dick for a tick on gold. Come on, hit it. Hit it. It literally like one ticked me there. All right. Just taking it. You got 39 seconds, guys. Exclamation point MM in the chat. What up, Izzy Lizzy? 20 seconds. That's kind of rude. I'm going to put it break even here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meh. Troy D. 384. Troy D384, where you at? Hey Troy, here's my email, methodicalman@gmail.com. Please send me an email showing that you're logged into your YouTube channel. Click on the icon, top right hand corner. Screenshot it, send it to me. Then you're going to have to go sign up for an account at Traders Launch and send me the email that you use for Traders Launch, and I get the account over to you. There's the website. Looks like we're going to get stomped out over here. Rude. Up $150 on gold, $396 on silver, down $402 on the MyFunded Futures account that we accidentally took a trade on and kind of mismanaged. And then this account that you guys are watching is up $17. So we're going to have a little work to do, tomorrow. You know, it is what it is. That's going to do it for me tonight, guys. I'm pretty tired. So I'm going to jump out of here. We'll be back on tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. Do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your ass. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, hear army fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but signal